If your Facebook views are high, but your pay is low, you're not doing anything wrong. You're just not getting the right type of views. Because here's the truth, not every view is equal. Some views actually make money, and some views just make your content look popular. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly why this is happening. I'm also going to be giving you the step by step changes that you need to make so your views will start translating into real income. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Viva, and I've been creating content here on social media for more than a decade. I teach creators all over the world how to build systems that's going to get them paid so you're not posting for free. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, not for me, but really for you. This channel here is to serve as a free resource that's going to help you guys build your brands online and boost your income. Okay, so your current problem is that you're getting views on Facebook, but these views are not converting back to money, so you're not making any money. A lot of the times when we see views on Facebook posts, we automatically think that views means money when that is not the case. The most important thing when it comes to the Facebook content monetization program is your engagement. Your content can get thousands of views because it's coming from things like people strolling fast or just stopping for 1 minute. There are thousands of people that consume and watch content on social media, but they are strolling with low intent. So that's exactly why your videos can have thousands, even millions of views, but your earnings are still low. So now I'm going to break this into 4 main reasons this is happening to your Facebook page, and I'm also going to give you a solution. The number one reason is that your views are coming from low quality traffic. This is when your content is getting pushed out to people who will watch, but they won't engage. They will not comment, they will not follow, they will not stay on your page. And these people are not the type of people that Facebook values for monetization. This happens because your content is too broad, it's too random, and you have way too many topics. Or you're just posting to post, meaning that you have no strategy behind why you're posting, when you're posting, and what you're posting. So in this instance, Facebook might send you a lot of views, but they do not see a strong signal that this audience is going to be valuable. To fix this problem, you just need to anchor your content around one theme so Facebook knows exactly who to push your content to. So if your video and the content that you're posting is about mom life, then every one of your videos should connect back to that in some way. Reason number two is going to be that your content does not hold people. High views with low retention usually means your content is getting clicks, but people are not staying. And guess what? If people are not staying on your content, then Facebook just looks at your content and they say, well, we don't have a huge opportunity here. There isn't a great opportunity to place ads on this person's video. So here's a super easy way to know if this is you and what you're currently going through. If you're getting high views, but your comments are low, as well as your watch time, like how long someone is watching your video, then you have really low retention. To fix that, in your first 5 seconds of your video, people need to know exactly what they're going to be getting from watching your video. You need a good hook. You do not need a long intro. You don't need a long story. You don't need to give a recap of your day. You basically just want to say, here's what I'm going to show you, and here's how you're going to benefit from it. The third reason why your Facebook might be getting a lot of views, but you're making a small amount of money is that your content is actually not ad friendly. Honestly, there's just some content out there that gets views, but it just doesn't monetize well. Just to give you guys a few quick examples, things such as reused content, content that has watermarks, content that triggers policy issues, or even sometimes content that gets too much negativity. To fix that is super simple. Just make sure you're posting original content. Keep your personal brand clean and keep it safe. Number four is that your content is not fully optimized. A lot of people just turn on content monetization and think that's it. Your settings, formats, and page structure matters. So now let's go ahead and talk about how you guys can actually audit your page to make sure you are earning your maximum. To do this, you want to go to your last 10 posts that you made on Facebook, and you want to look at things such as the comments, the views, and the retention. Whichever post from your last 10 posts got the most views, the most comments, kept people the longest, those are the type of posts you want to continue making. All the posts that are performing poorly, stop posting them because they're obviously not working. Double down on your money post. A lot of the times, as people, we keep trying to do different things when some things are actually already proven to work for us. The second thing I want you guys to do is to start working on a hook formula. And I need you to continuously use this hook formula every time you make a video. This hook is important because it's going to be what keeps people on your content. It's going to be what keeps people watching. The funny part is, it doesn't matter which social media platform it is, hooks are important on each social media platform. That's probably how I got you to continue watching this video here. If you're someone that needs a step by step guide, like you literally need someone to hold your hand and tell you what to do every step of the way, then that is exactly why I created my Facebook monetization ebook. I break down everything step by step: what to post, when to post, how often to post. This ebook will teach you as a beginner how to turn views into actual income. And this is not theory, it's the same strategy, the same framework that I'm using personally to generate $10,000 a month using the Facebook monetization program. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys found this video very beneficial. And if you have any other questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and I'm helping you guys, like even in the comments. So any questions, drop them. I'm helping you. So that's going to be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until next time, you guys, peace and much love. Bye.